What a miserable day out there.
How's that dreamy trill make you feel, Swallow?
Great stuff, although my eyes feel weird. I fancy a pint now.
I would like a bowl of deep-fried mealworms.
I heard you wanted some pints, Ron.
Yes.
Well, I know the perfect place. Huh?
What the hell?
Ha 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 ha. This bus is the size of a museum. Jesus.
And all, meeting for the bird of prey.
Birds
Mark
of prey, it says.
50.
You shouldn't have skipped your English lessons, idiot.
Who's that chomping loudly?
Looks like those ruffians across the room are so uncivilized.
I ate so many garden birds last week. Although low fat, as my doctor advised me on my high cholesterol.
I've gone vegetarian. I only eat fish now.
Hey up, lad. Good trout here, it ain't it? I'm going for a pint in a minute, maybe two.
I'd watch out if I were you. Some of these birds of prey can be nasty, especially Freddy over there.
Don't worry, we'll be able to take him on.
Are you sure about that?
3 woodpecker ciders, mate.
Sure, find a seat. We'll bring them over.
Get away from my territory. No soft, colourful puffer birds allowed here.
Hey, look, it's Little Red, my mate from my old school.
Oh, hello, Banana Belly.
What brings do you here today?
I'm loving the booze here. It makes me feel all dreamy.
You can say that again. I love this.
I guess we've picked the wrong days to come here.
Hey, guys, look over there. Them owls are pretty good at playing darts.
Oh, bullseye,
I don't like the look of that bullseye.
Where did Banana Belly go?
Who cares?
Oh no. What's he thinking?
Check this out.
Oh dear.
A grip.
Christ almighty. Quick, run.
What's in here?
Handsome chap you are, Freddy. Geez, I need more water. Looks like squirting jet lemon and Aldi one.
The coast is clear.
Is it safe to go?
Is that fishy, Kippers? Someone needs to see a doctor.
Pass some of that bog rollover. Done a mega thumb. I couldn't help it. Freddy scared me.
Wait, so that smell was coming from you?
That was Freddy.
You always blame somebody else.
Where the hell have you been?
Oh, I was just hiding in the toilets.
We thought Freddy had turned you into a southern fried swallow burger.
Well, Freddy is occupied now, thanks to my little wren mate.
Hey, Freddy, fancy an arm wrestle? I'm not so sure now.
Well then.
Well, the first time we've ever won anything, apart from the £10 I won in the scratch card after spending 200 on them.
I'm not feeling as strong as normal.
Hey, let's play a game of pool.
I'll give you a game of pool, you three.
Yeah, I'll beat your ass.
No, I've never played before.
The winner gets £10. Losers get eaten.
Well, shit.
Yeet.
You're going down, birdies. This will give me some more extra energy.
You must be high as a red kite to play that bad.
And someone spoiled my drink.
What the flip is going on?
Now it's our chance to win the game. Yeet. Yeet.
Looks like we've won.
Well, how did you beat me? I swear I knocked all my balls, maybe in strange dream I am.
Yeah, where is the £10 then?
Freddy has the £10. Sorry, I thought you were gonna lose. I'm off to the bogs now. I'm not feeling great.
What?
Well, flipping hell. Looks like we'll get nothing.
Well, at least we're all alive still.
What?
I've had enough today. I had a dart launch on my ass, lost my arm wrestle with a puny little wren. Now I'm being robbed by you. Get back over here now.
Oh no! That's the last time I'm going to burn the brief of the meeting.